Sponge. It's too early. Well, that makes you the luckiest boy alive. Come inside and get dressed.
Jonathan.
Spider! Look! A peach! A what? A peach! Look at that, on that branch. Why, that old tree's never had so much as a blossom on it, let alone a... Well, I'll be blowed. There really is a peach there.
What is that?
A peach.
A peach.
Get it.
Get it.
The boy.
Tea.
You be
Tea.
climb up there.
Tea.
And get that peach.
Tea.
Here, I'll please. Can we eat it? Of course we can. We'll share it. Me and your Aunt Spiker. Stop climbing. Right. What?
What is that?
It's growing. The boy. There's a peach, you idiot. Come down. So I won't get hurt. Come down. A peach.
Peach.
What a peach.
Peach.
Look, Spider.